Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zapier to sync EV data to Google Sheets, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in zapier.com and hit enter. Once the Zapier homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or a third-party account like Google or Facebook. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After registering, log into your newly created Zapier account. Once logged in, you will see the Zapier dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Make a Zap button and click on it. This will take you to the Zap creation page. Next, search for the app that you want to connect, such as your electric vehicle data source. Click on the app to select it. Choose the trigger event that you want to set up. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your EV data source to Zapier. Once connected, you can customize the trigger settings to suit your needs. After setting up the trigger, click on the Action step. Search for Google Sheets in the Action App section. Select Google Sheets from the list of applications. Choose the action event that you would like to perform, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. You will need to connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Sign into your Google account when prompted and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, select the specific Google Sheets spreadsheet you'd like to use. Map the fields from your EV data to the columns in Google Sheets accordingly. Review your Zap settings to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Test and Continue button to run a test of your Zap. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Name your Zap for easy identification later. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on your Zap. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.